I'm going to show you how you can monetize your account on Instagram. First off, before doing anything, there are a couple of requirements you must meet. First off, you must pass and remain compliant with Instagram's partner monetization policies. Second, you must have a professional account on Instagram. Third, you must be at least 18 years old. The fourth and final one, you must be located in either the United States, Japan, South Korea, or Canada. If you don't even meet one of these requirements, then you won't be able to monetize. But after you meet all of those requirements, what can you do? So you can go to your account here and you can go to the 30+ settings up here. And then on here, you can go and scroll down and then you can go to creator tools and controls. And then on here, you can see there's a couple of things, but you can see you can check the monetization status here. On the monetization status here, if you meet all those requirements, you'll see this. You're able to monetize. You're currently following all policies and guidelines related to your monetization tools. Right now, I can monetize branded content and I can also do a partner monetization policies here as well. You can also request a review here to see if you're able to monetize or not.